Eaton Cummins automated transmissions were designed for superior reliability, performance, and efficiency. This driver video will get you started as you head out on the road in your international LT truck.
Hi, I'm Zach.
Hi, I'm David.
Today we're going to talk about low-speed maneuverability on the Endurant transmission as well as other Eaton Cummins automated products. David, what are some of the low-speed maneuverability functions that are built into the Endurant transmission or other Eaton Cummins automated products?
Sure. Low-speed maneuverability, when you say that, we really mean, if you're in a parking lot, if you're backing into a loading dock, or if you're in stop-and-go traffic just trying to keep pace with traffic. Anytime when you need that extra control and confidence that you know what you're going to be doing with that truck. So with this transmission and other transmissions that we have urge to move or auto launch as well as creep mode. And the way that those function is if you have urge to move and or auto launch in your truck, you put it in drive, you take your foot off the brake pedal, and it's going to automatically begin to move the truck forward. It's going to feel very similar to a passenger car or your pickup truck. And that's going to work in drive and reverse. Once that truck starts moving, it then transitions into what we call creep mode. And creep mode means nothing more than we're creeping along in gear at engine idle. And while you're doing that, you can actually increase your rate of creep or decrease your rate of creep by making upshifts or downshifts.
It sounds very useful. Can you show me how I would increase or decrease my vehicle speed?
Yeah, absolutely. To start, all you're going to do is place the truck in drive, take your foot off the brake pedal, and the truck's automatically going to begin moving forward. Once the truck begins moving forward, we've now transitioned into creep mode, and we can request an upshift by just pulling back on the shift stop. Once that shift has been made, your rate of creep is going to increase by about a mile to a mile and a half. And conversely, if we need to slow it down, all we do is press forward on the stalk and we downshift. We can go all the way down to first, or we can go all the way up to fourth gear.
Does urge to move and creep mode work the same in reverse as it does in drive?
Yeah, absolutely. So once you put it into reverse, all you need to do is start letting off on the brake pedal, and urge to move will start to walk the truck back without you even needing to touch the throttle. So now if you need to back up that final 3 feet to get to the dock, you don't have to worry about lightly touching the throttle. You now can just modulate the brake pedal and it'll back itself up. Nice and smooth. Like so.
Perfect.